There we go. Muffler. Ooh. Let's grab this chair. And let's move the motorcycle out of the way here. Alright guys, so here's the BMW K1200. And we already have, here's the stock muffler right here. We got all our exhaust clamp and all that stuff on here. And it is pretty quiet. So we're gonna run the small pipe on here. The Delkevic, which I've seen lots of people rant and rave about it. Tri-oval. The first thing we're going to need to get is this link pipe. And the thing is, you can't buy this link pipe by itself, because I was just going to buy the link pipe and then put like a car style can muffler on there, but you can't. So okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, definitely fits. So you got your link pipe, and it comes with a washer and a nut. So I'm gonna see if it has its own band clamp, which I would hope that it does, so it gives it a cleaner look. But you can see on this old muffler here that it has this band clamp that holds the muffler onto the exhaust. Here's our nut and washer. We'll put that down there. Silicone sealant. We'll take a look and see where this needs to go, because I think it may go on this here. Let's get our muffler out. And they seal that muffler pretty good, man. Got some stickers, business card. Yeah, it has its own, well, it has its own clamp here. I see a little silencer thing inside of there. A tube. So I think you do use the old clamp for the bottom part. You still use this old clamp that holds the stock muffler for the link pipe. So we'll go ahead and get that on and just loosely have that on there. And the first thing we're going to do is take this exhaust clamp off of the old muffler and get our link pipe situated. So you will squeeze this over that, and then you will get that on there and situate it slightly. We'll situate it like that. I'm thinking that we'll do this way. See how this works. if we do the bolt from the top here instead of having it on the bottom. I know that was a problem, or an issue that I thought, is that this could come into contact with your center stand. So we'll hand tighten this, and then we'll wait until we get our muffler on there. Probably could just have it on the top like this. On your old muffler, you have a shield that covers that part. All right, so our link clamp is on. Let's go ahead and take our exhaust out of its bag. I see it bolt there. Is that where it comes out? It is pretty straight through there, man. So this seems to be the bolt. Ooh, that's an even smaller size. I love the look of this. I'm trying to see if we want to do the straight through, or I think we're going to leave the baffle in. So we'll go ahead and get our clamp situated and get our muffler slid on here. There. Got it slipped on. It looks good, guys. I think we'll go ahead and get our little V-band. Situated here, because this part should go here. Make sure our muffler doesn't touch, and it doesn't. And we'll get our bolt out of the old exhaust. So this has a little part there, so do that. And then this, and then we'll put our washer and nut on the back. Get our lock washer on the back here, and we'll hand tight that, and we'll use a wrench to hold that back nut that we just put on, and then we'll use our socket wrench to tighten. And I'm thinking that it was the big, oops, the big socket here, yeah, to tighten this. And then the small socket will tighten the other clamp that's on the holding the muffler. So yeah, that's pretty loose, but I think that's gonna be fine there. Go ahead and tighten up this band clamp here. All right, muffler is on, and it's the tri-oval. It looks good.